eating a
chocolate croissant.
It was a chocolate croissant.
Because I'm a pig.
McDonald's, McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken and a pizza.
Because I'm loving it.
Do 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 do.
Strange person. Watching Cloudy with a chest of meatballs because we can.
That was shocking attempt.
I hope that was recording when I did that little bit there.
Yeah, I don't know whether I caught it or not though.
Oh man, my eye is itchy.
Oh no, what have you done?
Ah!
Scratch it.
Oh, right. When I was little, I could get a sleep
Rub your eyes.
do that. Then open my eyes, it's just sparkly.
Oh, sparkly.
Sparkly!
I like sparkles.
Stop laughing at me.
Trying to get a boot brewing, man. This is not happening.
Technical difficulties till I feel one blur. I meant to put the camera on the bunny for technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. A nest!
Oh my god.
It happened!
Oh my god.
You saw it on here. The first view we're gonna get is gonna. Well, actually, sad because we might be the first view, but you know.
Yeah, man.
Oh, hang on. Oh, I was sick. I laughed and I breathed in at the same time, and it was horrible.
Oh, stinks. Chicken leg. Oh, gross. Oh. Oh, that's me, you know.
Hi.
Hey.
I am such a pig. Fight the power! Fight the power! Oh no.
Well.
It feels like this is one I'm about to come up. This is no. I gotta be careful with these just in case I bonk. No, you did last video. Oh. Pitiful! I was just froth! Oh!